Close attention to your opponent's stance. Read their intentions. Choose your attacks to break their defense.
Ito. Kalaban yata. Oh, may item.
That's so different from simply chasing.
Nakaranas din daw ng mga pangit na management. And siguro, nilang yun din daw mangyari sa future ng company. Which is true. Kasi parang, alam mo yun?
Most of pens. That might be where Regal is keeping her machines. I need to find a way to get in there. I can scan the area to see what I'm up against. I could check in on your... Errand I left when I did, how I did, for a reason. A good one.
Oh, thanks for sharing.
Listen to me. Life on Earth is in danger.
Sir. O nga marami rin gastusin kasi ngayon eh. Pupunta kami ng Cebu tsaka ng Jensen this holiday. So by December 2, no, wala na kami dito sa Manila.
Mauricio de Miguel tumuwi na Namora. Later, i-PM ko sa yung account ko na isa. Kasi marami akong account. Well, parang lahat naman ata tayo, no? Marami tayong account sa PSN meron. Ito.
And something siya na hindi mo makokontrol. 'Di ba? Kaya ang tawag dito, yung piracy, is usually yun yung naging
operatives? What is that stance?
Yung mga bumibili, yung mga tatay, no? Yung mga tito. Ayop yan. Sayang. Ako ito, nagwo-work daw habang nag-chat dito. Oh, grabe si TJ, oh. Oh, 'di ba? Work from
Ayun ko. Oo, sige kita. Hindi ko nakikita to.
Diba? And then yung mga review na makikita mo online. So try to pick at least yung very ang tawag dito, very passionate yung kanyang take. Oh, ito yung mga nominees. Ito yung mga nanalo. And if you think kung yung Dragon Age is hindi siya deserve na maging Game of the Year because of the let's say PS5, diba? Kung ano man yung executable na binabasa niya, yun lang yung babasahin niya. Pero kung halimbawa, let's say Windows executable siya. Oh, ito yung mga nominees. Ito yung mga nanalo. And if you think kung yung Dragon Age is hindi siya deserve na maging Game of the Year because of the
Evade yun. Parang wala naman.
kahit sino. Pero hindi nila magagamit yun. So, sa platform na gugustuhin nila. No, not unless meron silang valid NFT no, na hawak.
It was crafted long before the other Kagura mask, and it was different from any other.
was not that many machines.
No? So, syempre, kanya-kanya tayo nun. Kanya-kanya tayo ng preference, ika nga. Kaya daw, aggregate scores mas maganda. Yan.
In my time, there'll be no one else. It's hidden in the lies.
Are you lying too?
Who knows? I've been trained to make even the most severe falsehood sound like the honest truth. Weren't you?
First, open the survival viewer with the start button. If you select cure, you can start the treatment.
Saan yun? May ilaw eh.
I'd like to feel my legs again if you don't mind, Xavier.
You ordered the work stoppage?
Indeed I did. We're laborers, not soldiers. Until the Carja clean up their mess and give us the fair deal we deserve, I'm not risking Oseram lives.
Your turn! Come down here and face me!
No! It was an honorable challenge.
You've earned your life today.
Ito sa Google definition niya. So, commodity is a hindi na to, no? Kasi hindi naman siya raw materials or what, no? Or at least sa agricultural. Hindi yan yung definition.
This isn't over yet.
May bakat ng gulong sa mukha eh.
Don't.
Why?
He's still young.
Are we taking him with us?
No, this one is still just a child. Too pure for us Cobras.
Maybe Aaron's and the Vanguards.
One hit delete. Sigurado kayo ah. Pinakapahan dito.
Who's that? Radio, where's our backup?
Sa implementation ng Web3, no, pwede mo na magawa 'yon. No, pwede nang maging tradable yung game mismo itself. No, pero yung tinitrade dito is hindi yung mismong pinaka-X, but
Booking ko to mga to. Kasama si Ocelot.
Damn it! Ocelot. I'll get past them on my.
no? Kaya syempre naghahanap tayo ng alternative to experience that, 'di Diba? Pero syempre sa ibang tao na parang they are eager talaga no to collect game.
A leak somewhere.
No, that's impossible. The man the boss is working with, Volgin, isn't exactly on speaking terms with Khrushchev.
I lost my gun. The boss destroyed it.
Snake, I know how you're feeling. It's hard for...
Hello. Afternoon, everyone. Narinig niyo ba ako? Long arms.
Valid game, no, from I don't know, from Sony or from Steam or from Nintendo, and then using that
Is that all you got?
Budol. Ito si Mix taga-budol to eh. No? Taga-budol to ng ano eh. Hook na ako daw sa metaphor, no? Which is, yeah, true, no? To be honest, it's something din na gusto kong laro.
You must be Sokolov.
Nag-aaral sa kanila na tumawag na bumalik dito sa island. Yung limang batang tinatawag na yun, sila yung parang
totally wala na siya doon sa origin, no, but matatransfer yung parang let's say yung content doon sa destination niya. Yun yung something na
Looks like I can pull that crane over to me.
this to do my work, no? Extra kahit hindi OT na bayad, no? Pero pag gantong petics, ayun. Pag gantong
No matter where it takes me. And now, I'll carry them with me. Into the Forbidden West.
Good work, Jack.
What are you doing here?
He's exposed! Light is clear. Get moving.
You're not errant vanguardsman. I will move only when the captain
When
says...
I've cleared out all the bristlebacks, which I have. Captain's orders.
So they're okay.
haba nito chapter 6 ha.
Preservation natin is because of these few factors then. unang-una, yung copyright owner, syempre sila yung parang merong ang appeal ng Disney is for kids, 'di ba? Pero yeah, I mean para sa akin parang feeling ko lugi or hindi sulit yung bayad, no? Medyo mahal ng time na 'yan eh.
From that range, huh?
Syempre, yung other part ng equation, 'di ba? So, wala silang benefit for that. So, yun, no? That's the game preservation. So,
and tell him.
game hardware such as arcade and then yung game console. Ito ay parang mismo on the hardware itself. 'Di ba? So kung mapapansin niyo yung mga retro enthusiasts, no? So tinatry nilang i-modify
Comrades! Mark this day! Today you have decimated the marshals! Slaughtered the Karja!
yung pera natin, no, yung records ng mga transaction natin, no, from bank papunta sa someone, no, lahat yun nire-record ng bangko. At yung
level talaga yung basic na
despite of binili natin siya. 'Di ba?
Excellent. Amazing. I never.
Well, I'm Eva. Are you here to tempt me?
What happened to Adam?
I totally enjoyed that, no? Ano to? Killzone, Shadowfall. Yan, hindi ako masyado sa shooter. No, pero kapag yung shoot
Water started flooding the place as quick as I drink ale. I barely managed to drag us here.
So something's keeping the water inside the tunnels.
What are you thinking?
I've got an idea. Are there more explosives?